Once you've set up your Phantom wallet, the only thing left to do is use it. We're going to do two transactions. First, purchase an NFT on SolSea, and second, send our remaining balance back to our Coinbase wallet. You can purchase a Solana NFT on any Solana supported marketplace. First thing to do is connect your wallet. Because I've previously connected, the wallet connects automatically, and now I'm going to explore the marketplace. I already have a crypto slots in my wallet, so I'm going to purchase this Phono Gang, which I've checked out before. Buy NFT, approve the transaction. Once the transaction is finalized, I will be able to see the NFT in my wallet. The second transaction that we're going to do is send our remaining balance back to my Coinbase wallet. Send receive, select Solana, and copy my address. Back into my Phantom wallet, send, select Solana, and paste my address. I'm going to select max, meaning all of the SOL in my wallet, check the addresses, and send my SOL. Once the transaction has finalized, I see the SOL balance in my Coinbase wallet, and I see that I now have 0 SOL in my Phantom wallet.